Have you ever wondered how some repair shops always seem one step ahead? New services, smarter pricing, fresh promotions, like they just know what's coming? Well, here's the secret: AI. Artificial intelligence is no longer just for tech giants or Silicon Valley startups. Today, AI tools are helping everyday businesses, like your repair shop, spot trends before they go mainstream. Imagine this. AI tools scan thousands of data sources every day. We're talking industry reports, online reviews, social media chatter, competitor websites, even search engine behavior. All of it. Constantly. And what does that mean for you? You'll know what services are gaining traction. Say, there's a sudden uptick in interest for electric vehicle repairs or smart tech diagnostics. AI will flag that. Not months later, now. You'll know what your competitors are doing, new promotions, services, or even pricing shifts, so you can stay a step ahead or react faster. Even better? AI can identify gaps in the market. Maybe customers in your area are searching for battery calibration or ADAS sensor alignment, and no one's offering it yet. That's your golden opportunity. It's like having a full-time research team working 24/7 without the cost or overhead. So if you want your repair shop to lead instead of follow, AI isn't just helpful, it's essential. Ready to see what's coming next? Let AI do the digging, so you can do the winning.